Hey guys, I wanted to bring you a video showing you how to use the Dollar General app, how to enter the UPC codes, and stuff like that. Because I have been getting questions like, how do you do it? So I figured I would pull up my Dollar General app and show you. So when I say to scan it, this is how you get to the scanner. This right here, this little barcode guy, you click that. And then you can scan. Okay, so it comes up $0. That means it's a penny item. Do not pay attention to where it says item not sold at, because you can be in the store holding the item and it'll say it's out of stock and it's not sold there. So don't pay any attention to that. Also, if you're looking at like what's in stock, that is not going to be accurate either. You can also access the barcode scanner when you're in this area like this. You click back on the barcode and then you can scan another item. Okay, so that shows you how to use it. Now, if you do not have the barcode and you just have a number, so for instance, Christy's Connections will make those awesome visual videos for us and she will include the UPC number. So what do you do with those? Click on your little scanner icon again, your little box in the corner next to the search bar. We're going to click enter barcode number. Just tap it, and now we can enter the code manually. So since I have this allergy medicine here, I'm just going to go ahead and enter the UPC for that. All right, so it brings up our item. Okay, now let's go on to how we add things to our list to watch them fall in price. You simply click add to list. And then it says it's added. Let's look at my list. All right, I had a couple things on there, so that's what it's going to look like. And this way you can keep an eye on the price, but you need to make sure that when you scan the item in store, it's showing up at the price in your list, because there's lots of times the list price is wrong. So if something says $0, don't go run out to the store immediately, because if it's out of stock, it'll just say $0, even if it's still sitting on the shelf in the store. I know, it's stupid, but it's happened to me, and I've gone in the store to scan, and it's been full price, and I'm like, what the heck? So just wanted to let you guys know about that. So how do you access your wallet to spend the cash back that you have earned? We are going to get to the home screen again. You tap wallet right here at the bottom, and it's going to show you all the cash back you have earned. So that is how you access your wallet. And then if you want to use your money, you will click that button that says scan to spend, and a barcode will come up. They scan it, and it comes off like a gift card. All right, guys, I hope that helped you figure out how to scan items in store. I also probably should tell you about how to access Wi-Fi in the store, because if you have an Apple device, sometimes it just doesn't work, and you need to go to your settings, your little gear icon, and then go to your Wi-Fi. Turn it off, turn it back on, and then it'll show up Dollar General customer, I think, or something like that. And you click on that, and then you need to wait until you get a pop-up, and it's like a little box, and it's just like terms and conditions of using their Wi-Fi. And you click OK or yes, proceed, and then you're connected to their Wi-Fi. All right, so we would go to our Wi-Fi, turn it off, then turn it back on. Wait a couple seconds. Dollar General customer Wi-Fi will pop up, or just Dollar General. So you'll click on it, and that box will pop up asking if you would like to proceed or if you accept the terms and conditions. Click yes, and it'll be smooth sailing from there. Then you can go ahead and click your little scanner icon and scan away. Well, guys, I hope this helped you, and I really appreciate you watching. Have a fantastic day.